Now let's solve this quadratic equation by completing the square. And here's how we're going to get started. This process, of course, is really similar to what we have already done in terms of completing the square to find the vertex for parabolas algebraically. So we're going to take a look at this 4. We shall divide it by 2 and square it. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 2 squared is 4, coincidentally. So we're going to add a 4 to complete the square and take 4 away. Okay, so here we have x squared plus 4x plus 4. Now I can take this negative 4 out over here. And negative 4 plus 3 is just negative 1. And that's equal to 0. And this whole thing over here can just be simplified into x plus 2 squared. And we still have the negative 1 there. But our goal is to solve for x. So what I'll do is that I will add 1 to both sides of the equation. So here we have just x plus 2 squared equals 0 plus 1, which is just 1. Great. Now remember again that our goal is to isolate x. So this squared over here, this exponent's bugging us. So to get rid of it, I will square both sides of the equation. And once I square the 1, I get plus or minus the square root of 1. Alright, so let's continue. These guys cancel out. Over here we get just x plus 2, which is equivalent to plus or minus square root of 1. So that will be just plus or minus 1, because the square root of 1 is just 1. Then I can subtract 2 from both sides of the equation. These cancel out, so we have x equals negative 2 plus or minus 1. Okay, so we have two solutions. The first one being negative 2 plus 1, and the second one being negative 2 minus 1. Alright, so negative 2 plus 1 is negative 1, and negative 2 minus 1 is negative 3. So x is equal to negative 3 and negative 1. That's it.